Some best apps for Instagram Reels editing. Hey everyone, it's me Jessica from Create, Login and Delete. If you are looking for the best apps for editing Instagram Reels, then here are some top choices. First of all, open the App Store on a mobile device or Google Play Store on your Android. Now once inside App Store, on our first top choice, it is CapCut. CapCut is best for advanced effects and auto captions. It is free with no watermark for basic exports, AI powered effects, transitions, and auto captions. It has easy keyframe animations, overlays, and green screens, and also direct export to TikTok and Instagram. It requires an account for cloud sync. Now, our another option is VN Video Editor. Let's simply go back to the search bar and search for the VN Video Editor app. VN Video Editor is best for aesthetic edits and smooth transitions. It has multi-layer timeline for pro-level editing, customizable transitions and LED filters, no watermark even in free version, and slight learning curve for beginners. Now, once you use the VN Editor app, it will be the best options for you to edit reels in Instagram. Now, the third choice is InShot. Simply search for the InShot. InShot is best for quick edits and social media creators. It has simple UI with essential editing tools. Its speed controls, filters, and music library. It is great for adding text and stickers. No multi-track timeline. It has hard for complex edits and watermark in free version. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.